Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent fly is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. This here is the Tri-Speed Big Wheel Truck 1/64 scale, and I showed you guys this in the video a little while ago, and it's a pretty decent truck, but I had some things that I wished were improved about this little truck. And one of the things that I wish that it had was a actual transmitter, a trigger style transmitter with the little wheel on it to control RC cars a little bit more precisely and better. And I wish that this guy had proportional steering and throttle. And so even though you can get proportional throttle with a phone app on here, you cannot get proportional steering with it or whatnot unless you do some kind of mod with it. And so that's one of the things that I wish that this had, a transmitter and proportional steering and throttle. And I also wished it was a little bit bigger. And guess what, guys? WLToys has answered most of those things. This is almost a good replica of this if the body was metal, but the body is not metal, the body is plastic. But this is XK or WLToys answer to this, I believe. This little guy has a proper transmitter. It's got a little FPV camera, although it's Wi-Fi, but it is FPV, and it's almost the same as this. It's strikingly similar in build and all. Check it out. It's built almost the same way with shocks all the way around it and whatnot. It has lights and everything. It even added a light bar up here that actually works. Power button right there in the same spot. See if I can power it on. Check it out. But you got this transmitter. And guess what? It also has a gyro on it. So this is the gyro control here. We have steering trim. We have light control. We have speed control, which is 3 speeds. You can reverse channels and all. I'm not sure what this is right here. But this little guy actually has a gyro. Check it out. And you have a dial to control the gyro. Turn the gyro up. Check it out. So there's a working gyro. Only thing that they forgot is to make this 4x4. This is not 4-wheel drive. Check it out. But it still has the same power. If you put this guy in 3rd gear or 3rd speed, it will pop away. Check it out. Let me see. Yeah, if it has traction, it'll definitely do a wheelie. And so, pretty cool little truck from WLToys. I have not really played with this camera system right here on it because the camera is Wi-Fi and I'm not that fond of Wi-Fi control, but it is there if you want it, and you can control it with an app. I think I did review the 6401, I believe it is, from XK, and that's the little car version of this. So they came out with a not 4x4, but they came out with a pickup truck version, and it has this little hook here to keep this light bar up. But you swing these 2 hooks backwards so you can lean this back a little when you're putting the camera on, and you can do some FPV with it. But for the most part, this guy is a load of fun driving it around and all. Check it out. Proportional steering. Not just all or nothing like this one. There's the light bar there. You can control the lights and all. It does have flashers. Check it out. Flashers for left and right. Wait, let me turn it on. Yeah, hopefully y'all can see those yellow flashes in there. It does have rear lights as well, rear flashers. Check it out. So pretty cool little car from WLToys. Let me show y'all the different speeds. This is the low speed. That's the top speed and low. There's second speed. That's top speed. And let's see. High speed. So it gets pretty fast. Pretty cool little truck. I just thought I'd show you guys this in a quick review. They actually made this one bigger and better. I'll have the proper name of this little guy up here on the screen, as well as the listing in the description in case you want to pick this up from AliExpress. Another AliExpress good find, y'all. Thanks for watching.